guys, welcome back to the Wright's cooking channel. Today we're gonna cook some egg rolls and let's get started on it, guys.
Today's ingredients are ground beef. We have our egg roll wraps. We have carrots, and we have cabbage. It's already shredded up. We're using onion powder, garlic, salt-free seasoning, and some Joe's Creole seasoning, and a little soy sauce.
Okay guys, now we're going to add our onion powder to the meat. We're going to add our garlic powder. We're going to add our free salt seasoning.
We're going to add our Joe's Creole seasoning. Okay, now we're going to mix everything together. Now we're going to add our ground beef to the skillet.
No oil to the skillet, guys.
And we're just gonna cook and brown our ground beef, and we'll be back. Okay, we're getting ready to add our soy sauce. We're gonna start with a teaspoon because you don't want to get this over salted. Okay. Alrighty, we're gonna stir that in. Okay, now we're gonna drain the oil off of the meat, the fat. And we just got our strainer and we got a bowl underneath it. And we're just gonna shake it a little bit and make sure all the oil drains from it. See? Okay. Now we're gonna transfer the meat back to the pan. And now he's going to add in the carrots. And then he's going to add in the cabbage. Okay. We're going to mix it in. I'm going to let this cook down a little bit until it's tender. And at this point, you should taste your meat to see if it's seasoned well enough. If not, you need to add a little more soy sauce. Okay, we taste our meat and we need a little more soy sauce added to it. I'm going to put a little more. Okay, and you just do this until it tastes, have enough salt in it the way you like it. If 2 caps is all you need, then only do 2 caps. We'll be back. Okay, this is what your meat mixture should look like. It's all done. We have our meat mixture here, and we're going to add it to our egg roll. Okay. And now he's just going to roll it. Fold one side, fold the other side, and take your time and tuck it. You're gonna seal it. The water helps to seal it. You're gonna gently roll it. Okay. And that's our egg roll. Okay. That looks good. It's doing good. So now he's gonna roll another one. Okay. Add the meat mixture. Fold one side, fold the other side, and gently fold it over. You're gonna tuck it back. You're gonna add your water to seal it, and then you're gonna gently give it a roll. Wonderful. And we're gonna keep doing this until they're all made. Okay, we got them browning. And we're just gonna start to turn them over.
Okay guys, now that the meal is ready, and this is what it looked like.
Okay, this is our red sauce that we made, and also our egg rolls turned out perfect. And this is some carrot juice my husband made, and he made it the old-fashioned way where he grated the carrots and he squeezed it, and we have a video going up today on that as well. So thank you guys for visiting Wright's Cooking Channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, of course, and share our video, okay? Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.